Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another makeup tutorial. As you can see, I'm in a completely new location. That's because I moved. And I'll do a separate video talking about that in my God's Little Makeup Artist Talk. Of course, how God has got me through it and to this point, even walking me through. I just wanted to bring this look to you guys. I'm actually getting ready to head out to take some photos for my boutique. If you guys are wanting to learn something simple, but that will still give you like a glamorous look. It's a simple, glamorous look. I only used 2 different colors or 2 different shades on my eyes. My crease color was it's a transition shade, so it was a little close to my skin complexion. I used a darker brown on my eyelid and in the crease as well, and on the lower lash line. See, it's very, very simple. If you're new to my channel and you are like what you're watching so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video and leave a comment. First, we're gonna prime the lid. I'm gonna be using my Paint Pot in Layin Low by MAC Cosmetics. I did not do that well with blending my false lashes to my natural lashes all that well, but ignore that. Now moving into my Word 2 palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to be using these 2 browns. The lighter brown is going to be used as a transition shade, and the dark brown is going to go into the crease as well, and on my eyelid and lower lash line. And if you're interested in the brushes that I'm using, I will have that listed down below as well, and which ones I've used them for. And now I'm transitioning into the darker brown, applying that to my crease, and I'll be adding that to my lower lash line and my lid.
Don't fight it, don't hide it, dance the night away.
And now going in with my Big Shot mascara by Maybelline. And so I don't skip this part because sometimes I tend to. I'm going to be using my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, the lower lashes need love too. I'm just going to add some mascara. And to tight line, I'm going to be using my LA Girl black eyeliner. And we're going to be using these 2 oranges, orangey pinkish. We are taking a break from red vino. And the only thing I want glowing is my highlight. Speaking of highlight, I'm going back in with the Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy and just highlighting the higher points of my face. Per usual. Before adding any liquid lipsticks, I like to lubricate my lips. Now moving into my KKW Beauty lip liner in Nude 3. And to pair with this lip liner, I'm going to be using Bare It All, the shade Bare It All, by Gerard Cosmetics. My code for Gerard Cosmetics will be listed down in my description box or on this video, or both. Highlight the Cupid's bow, and then my Slay All Day setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics as well in Rose. And that completes this look. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and don't forget to follow my Instagram at Annette too. Bye.
Just to make you smile, that's the motive. Just to make you smile, that's the motive.